All right, we're moving right along. We're still on the surface area and volume assessment, but we're now on question 3. Mr. Bergman built a rectangular sandbox for the children as shown below. If each 50-pound bag contains approximately 70 hundredths cubic feet of sand, which is closest to the number of bags of sand that he would use to completely fill the sand? Well, I know that if I'm filling something, automatically when I'm filling something up, that's going to be volume. Another hint here is that it says cubic. I know that cubic means a number to the third power, but that also means volume. Now on this question, there was a little bit of a typo, which is why I gave you new answer choices, but then we fixed it. But anyway, you may have noticed, and some people did, that these were both in feet and this said inches. So because I gave you new answer choices, we're going to go ahead and just change this to feet. All right, so I see my shape, and I know that it is a rectangular prism. And I know that the formula for a rectangular prism is V equals capital B H. I know that big B means the area of the base. And I know that the base is a rectangle. So this really means length times width and then times height. So for my base, and again, it doesn't really matter which one you pick as a base unless they tell you. For my base, I'm going to pick this one because it's facing me. Okay? So to find the area of my base, I multiply 18 times 9. So if this is my base, and then back here is also another base because they're parallel, then that means that this number right here, 6, is my height. So I'm just going to multiply these 3 numbers together, and when I do that, I get 972, which is an answer choice. But this is my feet cubed. The question wants to know the number of sandbags, and 972 says bags. Well, this means 972 feet, not 972 bags. So I hope you didn't fall for that trick. Okay? I want to know how many of these 0.7s can fit into 972. So I'm just going to divide my volume by the number of volume that each bag covers. When you do this, and again, you can do math, or you can use your calculator. You guys have your calculator. When you do this, you're going to get, 972 divided by, please hold, 0.7. I get 1388.571. I don't see that number, and this is a crazy long number. But if I read the question again, it says which is closest. So I know that there's not going to be an exact answer. And I see that answer choice D is the only one that makes sense to be close to this problem.